Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to adjust Outlook view configuration. Let's start by opening Outlook. After this, we are going to click on the View menu. You can see some options. In the Messages section, you can define whether to see the messages in conversation mode or use the messages individually. Any changes will be applied automatically. You can configure whether you will see the preview of each received email or not. Now in the Layout section, you have more complete options. From the ribbon, you can use the classic one or the new simplified one. In the Folder panel and Reading panel, it will be possible to show or hide these options so that the email design has a better presentation. You will have extra usage options to personalize your experience. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.